Okay, so applying styles to your document using the Styles task pane on the right hand side, or using the Styles gallery up in the ribbon, or pressing the shortcut keys is great. But the one problem I have is when your navigation pane on the right hand side is showing you all the styles, it's quite annoying to have to keep scrolling down to normal and then scrolling up to heading 1. I seem to do a lot of scrolling across styles that I simply don't use. And so what I want to do is show you how you set up the Styles task pane to only show you those styles that you actually need for that particular document. When we went into options at the bottom of the Styles task pane earlier, we asked to see all styles, and that's why it's so incredibly busy. But if I change all styles to in use, that's not necessarily all the styles I want, nor is in current document. I want to show all the recommended styles for this document, so I'm going to choose recommended. I want to see recommended styles in alphabetical order. I don't want to see font formatting and paragraph formatting and bullet numbers formatting. I only want to see styles in my Styles task pane, so leave those unticked. And this is only for this document. So I'm going to choose OK to see the recommended styles in alphabetical order for this document. That sort of cut the list down a little bit, but still I see styles there I don't need, and I may see that some styles I do need are not listed. So having told Word to show us the recommended styles, let's now go and define what recommended actually is. By going to the bottom of my Styles task pane, I actually have a button called Manage Styles, and I'm going to click that. At the top I have Recommend, and at the moment the styles are in alphabetical order, which is great. What I'd like to do is select all the styles and hide all the styles, given there's so many of them. So I'm going to click the Select All button, which selects all the styles in Word, and I'll click the Hide button to hide all the styles. And again, this is only for this document. Now in this list of styles, I actually want to find heading 1, 2 and 3. So I'm going to scroll down. Some of these you'll notice don't hide, and that's just because they're system styles and you can't hide them. But you've hidden what you can. E, F, G, H, I. F, G, H, I. So I'm looking for heading 1, 2 and 3. I might go 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, just because I can. But you would decide, just by dragging, decide which headings you wanted to show. I'm going for 1 to 9 and click the Show button. And now those are going to show. Now, in addition to the 9 headings, I'd also like to show normal. So I'm heading down to the ends. And when I get down to N for Nelly, there's normal, number 1, always hidden. Click it and say Show. So now our recommended styles in alphabetical order will be headings 1 to 9 and normal, and I'll go OK. And so this is what now appears on my Styles task pane, and this is what I prefer. If I create a document for myself or for a client, I'll actually set up the styles, recommended styles that I want them to see and I want them to use when they're working with a document, so that it's formatted correctly.